front of me is POCO M8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or turn off app notifications. Start by opening Settings and scrolling to hit Notifications and Status bar. Now select App Notifications here. Tap on Sort by before doing anything, and this way sort your apps by time received, numbers of notifications, see apps that can show you notifications, or apps that are blocked from sending notifications at all. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on blue switches next to apps from which you want to block them. You can also click on gray switches to switch them back on. Quick tip, you can always pick any app on the left, and by clicking on it, not only manage notifications thanks to this switcher, but also check out all of those other notification settings for a chosen app. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!